Assalamu alaikum and welcome, everyone, to this special Ramadan journey. In this first video of our series, the Ramadan Primer, we'll gently but firmly explore the essentials every Muslim should know. Think of this as a helpful checkup for your understanding. If your knowledge isn't as ready as your suhoor, you will struggle. Let's go. Round 1. The Pillars and Obligations. Question 1. How many pillars is the fast of Ramadan built upon? A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. Answer. B. For intention, abstinence, the person, the time. True or false? Making the intention, Niyyah, every night, for the next day's fast, is obligatory for a valid Ramadan fast. Answer. True. What is the primary condition for fasting to become obligatory, fard, upon a Muslim? A. Strength, B. Sanity, C. Poverty, D. Parenthood. Answer. B. Sanity. If a person reaches puberty during a day in Ramadan, what must they do? A. Start fasting immediately. B. Make up that day after Eid. C. Feed a poor person. D. Nothing. Their fast is not valid for that day. Answer. A. Start fasting immediately. True or false? A very elderly man who cannot fast and has no hope of recovery must pay fidya, feeding a poor person, for each missed day. Answer. True. Round 2. What breaks the fast? The classic dilemmas. Question 6. Accidentally swallowing water while rinsing the mouth during wudu. A. Breaks fast, requires qada. B. Breaks fast, requires qada and kafara. C. Breaks fast, no qada requires. D. Does not break the fast. Answer. C. Does not break the fast. Using eye drops or ear drops. A. Breaks the fast. B. Does not break the fast. C. Breaks fast only if you taste it in your throat. Answer. B. Does not break the fast, according to majority opinion. True or false? If you are forced to break your fast under life-threatening duress, you must only make up the days later. Answer. True. Inhaling thick, tangible smoke, for example from incense. Intentionally. A. Permissible. B. Breaks the fast. C. Only disliked. Answer. B. Breaks the fast. Question number 10. Vomiting intentionally. A. Breaks the fast. B. Does not break the fast if less than a mouthful. C. Always breaks the fast. Answer. A. Breaks the fast. Round 3. Sunnahs and Etiquette. 11. What is the recommended time to delay for suhoor? A. 1 hour before Fajr. B. 30 minutes before Fajr. C. Right up until the very last moments before Fajr. Answer. C. Right up until the very last moments. What is the sunnah way to break the fast? A. With a large meal immediately. B. with an odd number of dates and water. C. With whatever is available. Answer: B. With an odd number of dates and water. 13. True or false? It is a sunnah to recite the entire Quran at least once during Ramadan. Answer: true. 14. What is a highly recommended charity in Ramadan? A. Zakat al-Mal. B. Sadaqah Jariyah. C. Answer: C. Iftar for a fasting person. 15. True or false? Using the miswak, toothstick, is disliked after midday for a fasting person. Answer: it is sunnah throughout the day. Round 4. Exemptions and rulings. Question 16. A breastfeeding woman who fears for her own health must: A. Make up the days only. B. Make up the days and pay kafara. C. Make up the days and pay fidya. Answer: A. Make up the days only. 17. A person who faints for the entire day of fasting: A. Must make up the fast. B. Fast is valid. C. Must pay fidya. Answer: A. Must make up the fast. 18. True or false? A traveler must break their fast if they journey more than 50 miles. Answer: false. It is a concession, not an obligation. They can choose to fast or break. If someone dies while still owing missed Ramadan fasts, with a valid excuse, what is the ruling? A. Nothing. B. An heir must fast on their behalf. C. Fidya should be paid from their estate. Answer: C. Fidya should be paid from their estate. 20. What is the ruling on applying perfumed oil while fasting? A. Breaks the fast. B. Makruh, disliked. C. Permissible. Answer: C. Permissible. Round 5. The wisdom and the goals. Question 21. The ultimate goal of fasting, as stated in the Quran, is to achieve: A. Health. B. Taqwa. C. Patience. Answer: B. Taqwa. 22. Which night is described as better than 1,000 months? A. 15th of Shaban. B. Laylatul Qadr. C. The night of Eid. Answer: B. Laylatul Qadr. 23. The gates of paradise are opened, and the gates of hellfire are chained shut in Ramadan. True or false? Answer: true. Based on Hadith. What major event in Islamic history involved the decisive victory at the Battle of Badr? A. It occurred in Shawwal. B. It occurred in Ramadan. C. It occurred in Muharram. Answer: B. It occurred in Ramadan. Question 25. The special night prayer in Ramadan is called: A. Tahajjud. B. Taraweeh. C. Qiyam al-Layl. Answer B. Tarawih. Well done for completing the primer. Whether you got 25 out of 25 or 10 out of 25, the real victory is taking this step to learn. Use this quiz as a guide for what to study this blessed month. Let's support each other. Share one thing you learned today in the comments below. This was just the primer. The deeper quizzes are coming, so make sure you're subscribed and have notifications on. May this Ramadan be your most knowledgeable yet. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.